My name is Christopher Gull. I'm an electronics engineer at Wärtsilä here in Vaasa, Finland. I'm originally from Hong Kong. I've also lived in Finland here before, and then in Holland and in Brazil, where I've studied. And then I moved back to Finland and started working here. I like to work with hardware and software, but I also believe that in this time and age, that being an expert in one field is not enough, and that's why I've also been involved in Scrum work and development for Wärtsilä's first Agile train. I like the autonomy and the ease of approaching people here, which is only improved by the Agile way of working. I also like that you have different skills that you can use and that I've acquired before, or which I'm acquiring as I go. My biggest contributions here at Wärtsilä, I believe, are the fact that I've been living in many different countries, and because of this, I speak many different languages, such as Swedish, English, Dutch, and Portuguese. I'm also learning Finnish, and I've been learning German in the past. Because I've also been living in many different countries, I believe that I have many different skills, multicultural, and many insights which are useful in my daily work here at Wärtsilä, which also helps me give a bigger picture of the work, both within hardware and software. So during our first program increment with Agile here in Wärtsilä, I was tasked with creating a first power supply concept, and I hadn't done this before, which meant that there were different challenges and that I needed to overcome using different skills from experiences and from different ways of working from my past. And this was an opportunity for me to learn new skills and new things and see the bigger picture, because designing this kind of power concept means that you need to have a picture that's bigger than my everyday tasks. As Wärtsilä is an old company, there are many ways to improve the engines. One of these ways is to use smart technology. This technology enables us to make more efficient engines and to comply with the regulations. We're also using this technology, so software and hardware, to improve the user experience. And this user experience will also make it easier to use our products. The technology that we develop here at Wärtsilä also enables us to automate ships. This means that we're able to make ships that are completely autonomous, which means that these can be unmanned and remotely controlled from shore. I believe that this is one of the innovations that will bring Wärtsilä forward. My workdays are made more fun by the fact that I'm working in platform hardware team. This team is very small, but it also helps us getting to know each other more, and this means that encouragement, learning, support, these are all things that are easier to do in everyday tasks. This team also helps me understand and learn new things, new skills, because we are constantly trying to develop new technology and finding new ways to innovate. The new Agile way of working we also have been doing means that we now also have cross-functional teams. So these teams enables me to learn other skills that are usually outside my general knowledge, such as software and process engineering and such. In my free time, I enjoy doing a lot of biking. Having previously lived in the Netherlands, I enjoy doing this both for work and in my free time. I have also been doing a lot of photography since I was a child. I've been doing this both as a freelancer and for my hobby, for my personal interest. Traveling is also something which is interesting me, because I come from an international background, having lived in both Holland and Hong Kong and Brazil. This means that traveling is something which is enabling me to understand the world, the cultures, languages, and overall making me understand the world better. As part of my free time activity, I also enjoy blogging. Blogging is a hobby of mine, which came through traveling and living in different places in the world. And this has helped me understand the world and also spread my knowledge, because I understand the world in different ways now, having experienced cultures and languages firsthand. And I believe that understanding cultures is vital in finding respect for people and finding respect for cultures. And also learning languages is, to me, important, because this makes me understand the culture better, because languages are a natural part of how people think and how they talk and how they act.